Now the next question, 31 rupees 50 paisa. Rupees 31 rupees 50 paisa multiply with 54. First we multiply with 4 with extreme right digit. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0 here and 2 on ones place of a rupees. So 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 4 3s are 12. Then after that with 5. First we take 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25 and 2. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. 5 3s are 15. Then 0, 0, 11, 10, 7, 1. That is after 2 digits we keep a decimal. After 2 digits we keep a decimal. So 1701 rupees. 1701 rupees. 1701 rupees. Okay. This is the answer. Okay, students. Now, so the second question in exercise 2. Divide the following money. Rupees 24 rupees 50 paisa divided by 12. Means first we take rupees and here pies. How many rupees? 24 rupees. After rupees a decimal and 50 paisa divided by 12. Then how to divide 12? The extreme left digit, that is 2. 24. So 2 digits we should take at a time because here 2 digit a divisor is there. So in 12 table when you will get 24? 12 2s are 12 2s are 24. Now 24 minus 24 is 0. If 24 minus 24 is 0, then copy the next digit. The next digit is 5. So the 5, it is less than the divisor. So we should take here the decimal point we are taking, here take decimal point. Here one more digit we should copy. 2 digits we are copying at a time. If we copy 2 digits at a time, so you keep 1 0 here. Now in 12 table when you will get this 50, 12 4s are 48. Then minus 0 here 4, here 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 0, no need to take. In each and every step we can take 1 0. Then 12 ones are 12. Then 10 minus 2 8, means every step we can take 1 0. 12 6 are 72. Then 8 will left. The answer is 2.046. 2.046. 7 rupees 24 rupees 50 paisa divided with 12. So the answer is rupees 2 rupees 0416 paisa. Okay. Now here rupees 72 rupees, so we should divide with 24. So 24 divides rupees 72. So here there is no pies, means no need to take pies. In 24 table when you will get 72. So once you take 24, 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 to the 6 plus 1 72. It means 24 3s are 72. 72 minus 72 0. It means, so when we divide 72 rupees, here there is no pies, means 0 0 with 24, the answer is rupees 3. 3 rupees is the answer. Okay. Now in word problems, the first question. So Reena purchased vegetables for rupees 253 rupees 75 paisa, fruits 131 rupees 25 paisa, and grocery items 478 rupees. Then how much money did she spend in all? How much money she spent in all, he is asking. So means in all means we should add. So Here first, so what she purchased? She purchased vegetables. Vegetables cost. Vegetables price. So that is 253 rupees 75 paisa. So this is about rupees, here paisa. Okay. Now after that, fruits. Fruits price. What about fruit price? That is 131 rupees 25 paisa. Then after that, grocery. Grocery cost. What is the grocery cost? 478 rupees. There is no pice, means 0 0 we should take. Now, so total amount, total money she spent. Total money she spent. So now add. First extreme right digit in a pice. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. 10 means 0 and 1 here. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 and 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 and 1 here. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 7, so 16. 6 here and 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Rupees 863 rupees, 863 rupees total she spent. Okay. Now, next. In the second example, the cost of pencil box is given. So, 357 rupees 75 paisa. So, in that, and a color box 675 rupees 25 paisa. Which cost is more and by how much? So, if we compare these two cost, color box is more. Color box price is 675 rupees 25 paisa. So, that we should write the first. So, color box cost more, costs more. How much he is asking? How much means in color box cost, the pencil price we should minus it. Then how much more you will get. Okay. Then color box price. What is the color box price here? 675 rupees 25 paisa. This is rupees, this is pice. Then pencil box price, that is 357 rupees 75 paisa. How much more he is asking? It means subtract. 5 minus 5 extreme right digit. 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 7 we cannot make minus because minus is smaller. Borrow from here, you will get 4 and 12. 12 minus 7, it is 5. Then decimal point. Then 4 minus 7, minus is smaller. So, borrow from here, you will get 6 and 14. 14 minus 7 means 7 here. 6 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3. So, then color box is rupees 317 rupees 50 paisa, more than pencil box price. Okay, students. Now, third question, Radhika bought 3 notebooks. How many notebooks? She bought 3 notebooks. So, each cost is given 30 rupees 75 paisa. So, one notebook price is given 30 rupees 75 paisa. How much amount would she pay to the shopkeeper? If one notebook price is 30 rupees 75 paisa, then what about 3 notebooks price? So whatever the 3 notebooks price is there, that much she has to pay to the shopkeeper. Here one book price is given, 3 books price is asking, means multiply. So we should multiply. One notebook price is rupees 30 rupees 75 paisa. Then 3 notebooks. 3 notebooks price is equal to rupees 30 rupees 75 paisa. This should multiply with 3. Then how to multiply? So we multiply 3 with extreme right digit, that is 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1 here. 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 1 22, 22 means 2 here and 2 here. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 2, 3 threes are 9. Here after 2 digits we have a decimal. In our product also after 2 digits we keep a decimal. So this is rupees. So this is 3 notebooks price. 3 notebooks. 3 notebooks price. 92 rupees 25 paisa. 92 rupees 25 paisa. Now in example 4, the cost of 9 paintings. 9 paintings cost is given 679 rupees 50 paisa. Then if all the paintings have the same price, then what is the cost of one painting? One painting cost. One painting cost. Here 9 paintings cost is given and 1 painting cost he is asking. Means more he has given, 1 he is asking. Means we should divide. We should divide. Then 9 paintings cost rupees 679 rupees 50 paisa. Then one painting cost is equal to rupees 679 rupees 50 paisa divided by 9. It means 9 divides here rupees and here pies. 679 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. So now, we start from extreme left digit in a division. So 6 is less than this 9, we should take 63, 67. So when you will get 67 in 9, 9 sevens are 63. Then minus 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 6 0, no need to write. Then 9. 9 in when you will get 49. 9 5s are 45. 9 minus 5 4. 4 minus 4 0, no need to write. Then after that copy a decimal place. Decimal place means here take decimal point and 5. When you will get 45 in 9. 9 5s are 45. Then after that 45 minus 45 0. Then 0, copy 0. 9 zeros are 0. Okay. So one painting cost is 75 rupees 50 paisa. Therefore, one painting cost is rupees 75 rupees 50 paisa. This is one painting cost. Okay, students. Now, see in exercise 3, so read and solve. So the first question, Rajini bought geyser. So 2399 rupees 45 paisa and paid tax also. That is 25 rupees 47 paisa. She paid tax on it. And she also bought painting, that is 3972 rupees 23 paisa. So for her home. So what amount in total she spent her? Total amount. total amount he is asking, means the total geyser amount, tax and painting amount. All the three amounts we should add, then you will get total amount. Okay. Now, first geyser cost. What is the geyser cost? Here rupees, here pies. 2399 rupees 45 paisa. Then tax amount. How much tax she paid? 25 rupees. 2 in tens place, 5 in ones place. Here the decimal. 25 rupees 47 paisa she paid. Next, painting cost. What is the painting cost? That is 3972 rupees 23 paisa. Then, so what he is asking? Total amount spent. Total amount spent. How much amount she spent? That is means add. Extreme right digit, that is 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 means 5 in ones place, and 1 we should take carry over on tens place of pies. Then 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 means 1 in tens place of a pies, and 1 we should take carry over on next place of a rupees. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 16 17. 17 like this. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 17 19, and 1 13 here, and 6. Total how much amount she spent? 6397 rupees 15 paisa. So this much amount she spent, 6397 rupees 15 paisa. Now in the second question, father buys 7 packets of choco pie. So how many? 7 packets. One packet cost is given 120. So one packet cost is given, so 120. So then what will be the cost of 16 packets? So first 7 packets Choco's pie he purchased. One choco is given, that is 120 rupees. First we find the 7 packets cost and what will be the 16 packets. 16 packets price also we should find. Now here one packet Choco pie cost is rupees 120. Then 7 packets price, 7 packets price is rupees 120 multiply with 7. So unit is given, more he is asking means multiply. 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14 and 1, 7 are 7 8. Then 7 packets price, 7 packets now again he is asking in the second 16 packets also he is asking, 16 packets is equal to 120 into 16. 16 0 0, 16 to the 32 and 3, 16 to 16 19, 1920. So this is 16 packets Choco pie price. Okay. Now students, see here, so in this he has given the painting, so cost is given 3972 rupees 53 paisa he has given here, 53. If you take 5 here, then what is the sum? 8 9 10 14, here 4 you will get 45. Okay, 6397 rupees 45 paisa, that is total amount. Okay.